Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Kejelah Meghalaya ubak lakmen remboi hak arpusan terik Kuala Lengkot hajar arpuar. Uloong menamar kejing sapriang ka kelam hak kedong bak Shillong, lasyak ban Pynlong tang yaki online kelas naduk kelas 1 haduk kelas 12. Hendrai kesorkar jela kan sekemi ibnya eke jenglong jengman batang cu ibet ibiang on sasyak ban sedang no eke kelas man langesngi hak kedong bak Shillong. Uloong bak Ketenat Pulih Putih kelepen mi eke jeng pendapat bak ban syak ban Pynlong yaki kelas offline naduk kelas 1 haduk kelas 12 hakitan nong kendong. Uloong bak kesorkar kan sekemi ibnya eke negisngi bagi tayo banwan ban sedang biang yaki kelas offline hak kedong bak Shillong. Bat ungit scam ban nyok ban sedang no eke kelas man langesngi. Ubak lakmen remboi uloong baki kena eke don kam ban nyok eke jenghikai hapok skul. Bat kelong kebedon kam ban ai jenghikai yaki haki kamrah kelas bat menta ki kena kilong ki baklan hak jengmut jeng perkat bat akamet kapat jong ki ban chong kelas haki skul. Om ban longsa ki koi di jong kan ka klam. Uloong bak kesorkar jela kelak kedausai hak jeng pendapat ba hak bala bensyat eka kamram haki bor penyat distrik bak kinong penyat ki skul na gebenta ban cime karai hak bedai bat kejing play ki skul la kedai online ne offline da ke selok lang bat ki he jong ketenat kokot kakya. Ba lakmen rumboi uloong ru bak eksamen matrik bat kelas 12 keban Pynlong da ke Meghalaya Board of School Education kan long bed kumbajulong.
Which we have allowed the offline classes from class 1 to class 12 in the rural areas, and the online class will go on in the Shillong agglomeration as of now. But this decision will be reviewed every now and then. And moreover, in notification, we have already spelled out what is the role of the district administration, what is the role of the governing body. So I hope that we will be able to start our class soon. Because as I see, when all the normal activities have been started, why not school? And we have seen that people, they will tell that before there is no vaccine. Now the vaccine for 15 years and above is also available. But I have seen that the response is still very poor. So children, students need education. Children need the offline education. Classroom teaching must return. So I hope that we have lived with this COVID for the last 2 years. We will be able to live, and the children are empowered enough both psychologically and mentally to prepare to go to the classroom and learn what they are supposed to learn, not only to be the prisoner of this COVID situation in the state. Thank you very much.